different from the Chargers we're used to seeing?
It's manual too.
Mainly. What?
Got manual swap.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. Let me show people this real quick. You did that on purpose, didn't you? You're like 1320's coming. We got to put the turbo right here so they'll see it.
Right up front.
Okay, real quick. Give me a rundown on the Charger here. What are we looking? Is it a 6.4?
It is a 6.4, but it's stroked out to a 428 cubic inch.
Okay.
Running on E85 makes about 1100.
1100?
Yeah.
You said it's a stick.
It's manual, yeah.
Is that just like the regular one that comes in the Challenger swapped over?
Completely swapped out from a Challenger.
Really? How long you had it built?
I've had it built for a couple years now and just put the bigger turbo on now. Now it's got the 88 millimeter on it. But
what's the rest of the build on it? Is it, I'm guessing, fully built motor and all that? Or?
Fully built motor.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's pretty much got all the bells and whistles on pretty much anything and everything.
Have you ever done the half mile with it before?
No, it's the first time.
What are you thinking?
I'm hoping that first couple runs 170 and hoping to get 180, but I don't got cage in it, so we'll see what happens.
Gotcha. How much power did you say it made?
Made 1100 last night on the
1100. Last night?
Yeah.
Very recent. Gotcha.
Yeah, about 4 o'clock I pulled it off the dyno.
Gotcha.
And started heading this way.
I had to come talk to you because of the turbo in the grill. Literally.
It's different.
I saw it driving through the pits. I was like, I got to talk to that guy.
Oh,
I think it's crazy.
I appreciate it, man.
Good luck today. Hopefully 170s. If not, maybe 180s.
I'm hoping,
Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
okay, fingers crossed. I've never seen a Charger with a turbo right there in the grill. Oh, that sounds good too. I've never seen a Charger with the turbo in the grill like that. I've seen very few cars with the turbo in the grill like that, like popping out. Very cool. We'll see what that car can do. He said he wants to do 170s, maybe 180. He's never taken to a half mile, and he just got off the dyno at 4 o'clock in the morning, which was 5 hours ago. So we'll see what it'll do.
Flying 4-door banana, you made good use of almost all.
154 for the Charger. 154, not bad for a first pass.
Nah, I missed 5th gear, so.
Oh, is that what it was? That's kind of weird to hear because Chargers don't normally have that option.
Yeah, I missed 2nd, then I missed 5th, and I was just in the higher RPM. I didn't want to get back in it. So.
Well, you missed 2 gears, you still did 154?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. All right, next pass, don't miss any gears.
Oh, I
Let's
got
see
you.
a 170.
Oh,
Deal?
Deal.
All right, good luck.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah. See what he did. 168, he's almost to 170. All right, 168. 168, not bad.
It's a clean pass, so it's time to turn it up.
So you didn't miss any gears that time.
Didn't miss any gears.
How many pounds is that right now?
It's on about 20.
Okay. What do you think? A couple more pounds or?
Probably, we're only on probably 12 degrees of timing, so it's time to turn the timing
Yeah,
up.
you got a lot more room there. So
Yep.
170 next pass.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then 180 by the end of the day, right?
I hope so. Let's get kicked out.
Well, he wanted to do 170, 180. This is our first time out with the car since he finished it. He just did 168. He's right there at that 170 mark, and he really wants to get pie in the sky, go 180 by the end of the weekend. If they turn it up and he keeps having clean passes, I think he can probably do it. Come on. Get 170. 172 for the Charger. He's going to be stoked on that. And they're just starting to turn it up. They got a lot more in that thing.
Not quite 170. It's almost there.
So you know what you did?
Huh?
You know what you did?
No.
172.
Really?
72.
Yeah. Yeah, all your your boys are lying to you over here, 169.
You're messing with you.
Go take a look.
You got her
turn it up a little more.
How are the shifts on that one?
It's fine.
Good.
I left it. I didn't hit fifth. I just rolled fourth out, but it completely stopped about 6,500 RPM. So I do need to shift into fifth. But just trying different things, see what I can do.
But hey, once you hit your goal of 170s right there.
Yeah.
Now let's go for 180s.
Yep.
All right.
Cool, man.
Hell yeah. Congrats, man.
Mile an hour. He's been over 200 before.
186 for Kyle, 169 for the Charger. You got a new driver mod here. You coming back tomorrow?
Yep.
Okay, just double checking.
Got the tune redone, so we'll see if it makes any more.
Was that 169 on the last pass there?
Yeah. 169 didn't make much boost.
All right, tomorrow, 175.
Tomorrow, 175.
All right, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, I appreciate you guys.
Good morning. How we doing today?
Good, you?
Not bad. 172 yesterday twice.
Yeah.
Any changes to it today? You're just going to see what it'll do?
We put a couple more degrees of timing and a little bit more boost. So see what happens. What are you hoping for?
That 175 number we were talking about?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Well, we'll see. You're heading up there right now?
Yep.
We'll see you up there, man.
All right,
Good luck to you.
Good. Thanks.
172. He cannot break the 172 mark. $161 for Aaron, 172 for the Charger. 172. You are Mr. 172 today. What are you thinking for next pass?
That 175, baby.
We gonna make any changes or
Yeah.
shifts were good and all that?
Shifts were all right. Yeah, I just spun one the second, first and second. So.
By the way, we realized yesterday that your car is kind of a dad joke.
Yeah.
Because Kyle was on the walkie. He's like, "Hey, that Turbo-Charger's coming up." I was like, "The Turbo-Charger's coming up?" He's, "Yeah, the Turbo-Charger." I was like, "It's kind of funny."
That's what we call it, either the Turbo-Charger or the spool bus, one of the two.
Spool bus? I like that, but Turbo-Charger sounds, it just works. Good. Turbo-Charger, yeah, whatever.
Perfect.
Anyway, we'll see you next round, man.
Sounds good, man.
Hell yeah. Good shifts.
1,000 horsepower in the Dodge. Sounds like he might have had an issue.
Oh, I think he let out early.
Not sure.
Yeah, 135 he let out early. Good shifts, first through fourth it sounded like.
All
right, she sounded good first through fourth. What happened when you got to fifth there?
Clutch went out.
No. All the way out?
It's slipping on the top end pretty good.
Gotcha.
But,
well, that kind of sucks.
yeah.
Well, I'll come back check in with you a little bit.
wrong lane. Or no, he did 172. He's in the 170s, 172.9, just a couple mile/an-hour off his goal, 175. Damn, that's flying. In a stick shift, almost, I think it's 5,000 some pounds stick shift car. That is impressive. Have you looked? 172.9.
Really?
Yeah.
I was slipping in fourth gear real bad. I just said hammer down.
You're just a couple off from that 175.
I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute.
Yeah.
See where I'm at.
That was sweet, man.
I appreciate it.
Screaming. Good run.
You're in the finals for stick shift?
Always good.
Yeah.
It's a Charger.
Yeah.
That blows my mind. That's so freaking awesome.
That's pretty neat.
All right, so you're Mr. 172 right now.
I know.
What changes are you gonna make? Just gonna.
Dude, I can't make any change with the clutch the way it is. The clutch is gone.
Gotcha.
I'm just gonna do what I did last time, see if we can pull it out.
Okay, well at least you can take home a
At
win
least I pull the
potentially,
win.
right?
Yeah.
There you go.
I'll come back and get the 175.
All right, well, do another consistent 172, and you should be able to take home that win. All right, buddy?
Sounds good, man. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Sedan final shootout. They took the top two qualifiers in the sedan class.
So talk
Run them
about
up against each other.
But it's from mile an hour is what's going to win a race.
Get it.
Derek Downing with all the power in, it looked like.
172.2. So in the finals here, shift sector, half mile, it's whoever the mile an hour is the fastest, not the quickest to the finish line like a drag race. So the Charger's going to take home the sedan class on that one.
He just won the stick shift class in a car that never came with a stick shift. That's pretty awesome.
That's right, I forgot about that.
Coming up. Hold the chute. All-wheel drive final. Whoa.
I mean, Mr. 172, but it took home the win, right?
Hey, took home the win. That's all that matters, right?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Well, congrats. First time out with the car.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, turboed, it's got a stick shift in it, all that stuff, and it performed really freaking well.
Yeah, that's because of Jim Gray, man. He's the tuner, man, and he did an awesome job. I couldn't thank him enough.
Oh yeah, man. Well, congrats.
I appreciate it.
Next time we see you, hopefully 175 or faster.
Yeah, I'll be at the next one.
All right, buddy. We'll see you then.
Sounds good, dude. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Scary as oh my god.